special guest for today's program, and Honorable Minister of State, Union of India, Dr. Subhadra Majumdarji, who is coming from Delhi, Honorable Tripuri CM, my esteemed colleagues, Minister, MLA and Advisor, and NEC Director, and Total Department, DC and SP, and Chief Arm of Langa Police, and also cultural troop from Assam, Omya, and also Arunachal, Pongcha Police. I, on behalf of the Mon district and people of Konyak, welcome you all. I wish you all happy Olam. I also a special thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland. Because of his initiative, this thing is coming up. With the support of Honorable Minister of State, Donor and Education, Government of India. Because of your support and your funding, our Konyak heritage is coming up. I am behalf of the Konyak people, thank you so much, sir. Because of your coming, our Auling Come Education program of Konyak Heritage is grand success and beautiful and blessing for all of us. I also special thanks to the Reverend Machin, Executive Secretary, Konyak Baptist Pangchim. Because of your invoking, we have got big blessing. Ami Katawra Nakamastek Tato Koidibo, Amar Minister Julie Jablese, Lambana Kobo, Amar Chief Minister Moram Kurigani, Amahan Man Damor Development, Anidise, second to Kesama, Enaga Anidia Karne, Damo Kushi Paishe, Aru Amar Pajam Manu, Idu Bhabra Pushipolake. Amahan Torga Tem Dole, Chief Minister Lode, Aman Mangi Dage, Loy Dage. Kalau tayi laga torgam tende, kami kan ahebo paresanan naik. Itu kami nokobo, apa yang hari jane? Oh satu na, tendo, ahadun tu hele, amar Chief Minister moram gurishe boleh tayi kotha mani re bhal hobone ke boleh tu request gurishe. Aji bhi olda kotha loi na jabi, asal koyas. Our second army, all of Sal, Exal, Dusal, Thagani, Medical Polish, and Operation Obelias. It will be Johnny Homonimite, Amaha Sopi, Edu Janadia said, Bisilamba, Tamordia, Duida, Ami Manakobo. Thank you and God bless.